Fitzroy Adams from East Ruimveldt was today charged with motor manslaughter over the death of police constable Annette Abel. Abel was struck down last Thursday night at a roadblock in front of the BV police station by a car Adams was driving. She died on the spot, while her colleague, woman Inspector Castillo, remains in a critical condition in the hospital. The matter was called this morning in the Spirandam Magistrates Court before Magistrate Russell Liverpool. Adams was not required to plead to the indictable charge. It is alleged that on Thursday, November 16, 2023, the 45-year-old man drove motor Jeep PVV 8278 to such an extent that he was incapable of having proper control of the vehicle. Police prosecutor Quincy Cummins objected to bail on the grounds that the defendant is no stranger to the present circumstance. He also told the court that the other officer, Inspector Castillo, is in the ICU in a critical state and presently on life support. Back in 2015, Adams was charged with causing death by dangerous driving, and he was later freed of the charge. He was remanded to prison and will make his next court appearance on December 15th. The police officers were performing duties at a roadblock outside of the BV police station when a driver who appeared to be under the influence of alcohol jumped the red light and slammed into the police. The 53-year-old Abel of Lot 64 Port Village, Myconi, East Coast, Demerara, died on the spot. A statement from the police on the matter explained that whilst on duty, Constable Abel stopped motor cars PAB 9932 and PNN 8124, which were proceeding west on the southern drive lane of the southern carriageway. Both of the vehicles pulled left and were stationary when the motor Jeep, which was proceeding in the same direction and lane at a fast rate of speed, drove through the red light signal and collided with the traffic cones, which were at the center of the road as part of the roadblock operation. The driver lost control of the vehicle, which struck Constable Abel into motor car PAB 9932, which then collided with motor car PNN 8124. It was related by the police that the car PNN 8124 then spun and collided with woman Inspector Castillo and one of the drivers, Chris Allen, and they were flung into the air. Constable Abel landed about 20 feet away on the road surface with her feet severed below the knee. Inspector Castillo and Chris Allen landed on the southern grass parapet. They all received injuries to their bodies, while the motor Jeep turned turtle on the southern grass parapet